Hello everyone. Here today I want to be showing you how to be measuring the Earth's curvature. We'll be doing this in the empirical calculations to work out distances. First we'll go through the basics, then we'll go through an example, and we'll be looking at the distance of curvature, and then we'll be looking at the tilt of that curvature. Okay, starting from here, a mile is 5,280 feet. The circumference of Earth is 24,901 miles, and the radius is 9,536 miles. To get 1 arc degree of curvature, we take the 24,901 miles and divide it by 360 degrees. That gives us 69.17 miles. Rounded down. All figures have been rounded down. To get 1 minute of arc curvature, we take that 1 degree and we divide it by 60, and that will give us 1.15 miles. Likewise, with 1 arc second, we take the minute and divide it by 60, and we get 101.4 feet. The formula for working out the curvature of the Earth is 8 inches multiplied by the distance squared. It must be squared. Divided by 12 to give us feet, and that will equal our distance. So looking at the example, i.e. looking at the shoreline that is 150 miles away, goes like this. 8 multiplied by 150 squared divided by 12 equals x. 8 multiplied by 22,000 and a half divided by 12, x equals 15,000 feet. To turn that into miles, so it's easy to imagine the distance, of course we divide it by 5,280 feet, which is a mile, and x equals 2.84 miles. So something at a distance of 150 miles away should be down the curvature of 2.84 miles below the horizon line. Of course, it's moving down like that, so it'll be right down there. That means you can't see it. It's nearly 3 miles below the curvature. Of course, therefore, a building at that distance, or any structure that's straight, should be tilted relative to the latitudinal and longitudinal angle of arc. Of course, at 2.84 miles divided by minutes of arc will give us 2 minutes and 47 seconds of arc. That should be the tilt, if we saw anything at that distance. And it should look something like this. But we do not see any curvature or tilted buildings or structures whatsoever. In fact, at 150 miles away, we can still see things like shorelines and buildings. Of course, we need telescopic sights to be able to see these things. We can't see that far with the unaided eye. But this mathematics is very, very simple. Anyone can do it. Nothing difficult about it whatsoever. This is proving that this globe Earth is not a globe. It is not a ball. It is flat. The Earth is flat, people. We have been lied to.
Carrying a flag rode from one bridge to another 6 miles away. An observer with a telescope placed 8 inches above the surface of the water found that the flag and the boat were distinctly visible throughout the entire distance. If the Earth is a sphere with a circumference of 25,000 miles, then over a distance of 6 miles, the second bridge should mathematically be 16 feet below the observer's eye line.